Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Figma versus Figma Professional. Let's dive into the core differences between these two powerful design tools. Figma's free tier is perfect for individuals and small projects, offering essential design capabilities. However, Figma Professional unlocks advanced features, primarily focusing on enhanced collaboration and scalability for larger teams and organizations. Understanding these distinctions will help you choose the best fit for your design workflow and team needs. The free version of Figma provides a solid foundation for your design work. You get unlimited files and collaborators within those files, which is fantastic for getting started. However, it limits you to 3 Figma design files and 3 FigJam files, along with 1 team project. Your version history is also capped at 30 days, meaning older changes won't be accessible after that period. Stepping up to Figma Professional brings significant advantages for growing teams. You'll enjoy unlimited Figma design and FigJam files, removing the project count restriction. Crucially, it offers unlimited version history, ensuring every change is preserved indefinitely. Furthermore, you gain access to advanced permissions, private projects for sensitive work, and the ability to use shared and private plugins, greatly expanding your design toolkit. Deciding between Figma Free and Figma Professional boils down to your specific needs. If you're an individual, a student, or a very small team with basic collaboration requirements, the free plan is likely sufficient. However, for larger teams, complex projects demanding extensive collaboration, or if you need robust version control and advanced security features, Figma Professional is the clear choice to empower your design workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.